Gower Firsties, congratulations! You followed directions because you read Start Here and you saw this was a video. I'm going to tell you what your job is today. So, you will be learning more fun facts about birds, and not just any bird, your bird you're researching. So, what you will do is you will go through the slideshow until you find your bird. So, I'm going to say I'm doing owls. So, I'm going to click through the slideshow and looky there. It is the first slideshow. Because I can read, it says, "Did you know this about owls?" And it automatically plays that video. So, while you are watching this video, you will have your workbook open and you will be writing your facts on how your bird uses its beaks or feathers to survive. So, in this case, I would be listening to hear how the owl uses its beak or its feathers to survive. So you would watch the entire video. Then, when you're done and your whole team has everything written down and you've done your scientific drawing, there is actually a live video of an owl you can watch. And if your bird is not the owl, you still have a live video you can watch when you're done. Make sure you're following directions and watching, listening, and writing your fun facts. Bye, Firsties.